Hello! We will look at what is inside the box of Byte Switch from G-Switch series. A switch control for adapted devices and for GlassOuse version 1.2. We have a user manual and GS01 Byte Switch. It comes with a 3.5mm jack connector. Also, we have an additional silicone switch cover. Byte Switch was initially designed for previous GlassOuse version 1.1. To be more flexible, now it comes with 3.5mm jack and the developed byte click module part. You can do clicks via bytes or pressing. And changing the silicone switch cover is easy. This cover is made of non-carcinogenic materials and it is healthy to use. With the 3.5mm jack, you can connect Byte Switch to any kind of adapted devices offering this connection. Simply connect and start to use. Or you can use Byte Switch perfectly with GlassOuse version 1.2 with the jack plug-in. Connect your GlassOuse to your device via Bluetooth. Choose the mouse sensitivity according to your needs. To move the cursor, move your head, and to do clicks, simply bite the Byte Switch. You can use GlassOuse version 1.2 with Byte Switch on computers, mobile phones, tablets, and smart TVs. For further information, visit glasshouse.com.